been LP, got a new CD, ain't heard from you in so long. When your album coming out? Heard you moved to the south, ain't heard nothing new, so what's wrong? Keep asking, where you been LP, got a new CD, ain't heard from you in so long. When your album coming out? Heard you moved to the south, ain't heard nothing new, so what's wrong? Listen, took a couple years off, away from this rapping, got these people bugging, asking me questions like, where you been, and when the new album coming? Did he quit? It's been 3 years and I ain't heard nothing new since the track producer logo. Nowadays, LP's a no-show, yeah, could just spin on the low, trying to get my life straight, if you really wanna know. For real talk, I ain't never been gone, been behind the beats, been going at it strong, been on my grind. If you go and check the stats, you can see I put in work, and you know that that's a fact. I'm back, bitches, and here to start the movement. If you damn, then go ahead and prove it. This is for my peoples, my culture is more than music. Since my fans been asking, you know I had to prove it. You been LP, got a new CD, ain't heard from you in so long. When your album coming out? Heard you moved to the south, ain't heard nothing new, so what's wrong? Keep asking, you been LP, got a new CD, ain't heard from you in so long. When your album coming out? Heard you moved to the south, ain't heard nothing new, so what's wrong? Listen, now I moved down south for about a year, but now I'm back in the MI, let's get it clear. Had to switch up lanes to try new things, but I couldn't let it go, so now I'm back in the game. Why it takes so long to make new tracks? Truth is, to give y'all time to catch up with this rap, I just waited and quietly observed you rappers, and it seems like all y'all was moving backwards. So you can say I'm here to take back what's mine. If you didn't know, dog, I'm back on my grind. Enough with the bullshit, let's get back to business. Line all my money, getting back to the riches. Yo, what you doing, man? The wait is over. The throne is finally back to its rightful owners. And to all the fans, thanks for all you done. It's because of y'all I'm back with another one. You been LP, got a new CD, ain't heard from you in so long. When your album coming out? Heard you moved to the south, ain't heard nothing new, so what's wrong? Keep asking, where you been LP, got a new CD, ain't heard from you in so long. When your album coming out? Heard you moved to the south, ain't heard nothing new, so what's wrong? Listen, if you didn't know, I got a son now. Ring on my finger, got a wife that'll hold me down. Family is all I'm about, so they gotta be alright first before I come out. And don't assume that I'm through with this rap shit. I'm still here, making these rap hits. And I promise it won't be long till y'all hear me again, making these songs. Cause I know that my people's been waiting on me to drop, so I'm back here again, reppin' for my people, taking them to the top. I took my time off, but I'm here. I'm back to this rap, let me borrow your ears. No matter how long, ain't nothing gon' change. As long as I'm alive, I'ma be the same. Keep asking, where you been LP, got a new CD, ain't heard from you in so long. When your album coming out? Heard you moved to the south, ain't heard nothing new, so what's wrong? Keep asking, where you been LP, got a new CD, ain't heard from you in so long. When your album coming out? Heard you moved to the south, ain't heard nothing new, so what's wrong? Listen.